everyone, how are you? So, since you're all masters at BookCreator now, I would like to teach you something that I didn't really tell you in class, but some of you asked me about it when you saw the diary that I made here. You asked me about the cover that I made. Actually, the cover is made by Canva. I'm sure you know about Canva already, and I just want to show you that I cannot do anything here. You see, it's a full picture together. So to do that, I'm going to show you, let's go to a new page, an empty page, like this one. How can I create with Canva inside Book Creator? So I'm going to come to the plus, come to apps, and click on Canva. Automatically, it will load Canva inside Book Creator, which is super cool because you don't need to go out, search, and then come back in and decide on like how you're going to upload whatever you need to upload. It does take a minute for Canva to load, maybe also because I'm recording, but you can wait a little bit, it's not a problem. Okay, so this is Canva. This is my page on Book Creator here. So let's say that I would like to talk about being in the subway with my new stuffed animal friend that I was that my friend Anastasia lent it to me on Thursday, and I would like to talk about going with my new friend. Her name is Stacy. She is a squid, as far as I understood, and I would like to talk about my experience with Stacy in the subway because we saw something in the subway that was very, very surprising. So I'd like to have a picture of a subway. So I'm going to come to where it says element here, and I'm going to write subway. Enter. I want something that is funny. Ooh, this is a nice picture to use. Put it here. And maybe this one. Okay, and I'm going to click add to book. And here it is. So in order for me to talk about, oh, and I would like to also add um, a moving picture, like a GIF or something. I can do that with another app that is already also built in Book Creator. So I come to plus, come to apps, and come to Giphy. I don't know if you know it, but it is for GIFs and stickers. So I'm going to write Subway also here. Okay, I'm going to put a sticker. A GIF will actually make you put it with the background. For example, if I put this, it will put the entire thing. I don't want that. I would like to have a sticker. I'm going to go again on the plus, apps, Giphy, and write Subway, search, and sticker. This is the logo for a Subway restaurant. That's not what we want. I would like to see, yeah, something like this. Like you can see the train moving. Ooh, this is cool. Looks like a snake. I would like to use this one. Okay. I'll put it here. Maybe here? No, down here. Okay, so if I click on play on my book, it's going to show like that. Now remember, if you don't like something, for example, I don't like how these people are not connected to the top, and I don't like that this line, like there's something that feels not right for me. So what I can do is I can double click on here again, or click on the edit, and it will open Canva again, so I can edit it as many times as I want. Okay, so I'm going to add a title called Stacy and Stacy's experience in the subway for the first time. Okay, I'll minimize this a little bit like that. You can see they're connected. Or maybe we should put them down here. No, I'll just put them up there. Let them fly. It's not a problem. And we're going to put a text. I'll use purple because my theme in the whole diary that I'm creating is purple. First time, whoops, this time the subway with Stacy, the fluffy, plushy friend. Okay, you'll see, oh my God, that's so big. So what can I do? Easy. I can just come to my thing. I'll usually highlight all of it and let's choose a smaller font. That's still too big. I think this is good enough, but I'll put it here, up there. Hold on. Let's move it up there. That means I would like to move this one down here. Okay. And click save. It will also, again, load it. And you can see it just moved it again. Now, if I want to move this, I will have to, again, click on the edit, open Canva again and edit it. But I think I'm okay with that because I can put the train going like a snake from side to side. It's just super funny. I just don't like the idea that the background is white. Let's see if I can put another kind of background. Will it show or will it not show? I'm not so sure. So to put a background, you click on the the inspector, come to texture. This is the one that I used. Let's see if it will work. Will it work? I'm not so sure because you see it's in the back. So can we remove the background from here? I'm curious. Click on the eye, go to Canva again. Okay, we are now here in Canva. I'm going to click this. I don't know if I can upload it without the white background. I have to investigate on this a little bit more. Because I know that I can remove the background. You see, like this one, background remover. However, the white comes from the background. How do I explain this? Like the background of the picture. Well, let's see how it goes. So I'm going to click on this one. This one doesn't have a background. So it's here. Can I save it as transparent? I'm not so sure. Nope. Okay, let's go back to BookCreator and see how it goes. Yeah. So I guess the background from BookCreator doesn't show with Canva. Maybe there's a way to remove the background, but I'll have to investigate it. So in this side here, because I moved this down, I need to move the train a little bit. And this is how it will look like in my book if I click play. Come on. Okay. Now I'm going to add another page because I have a picture I would like to add. Let's see, where is the picture? Here it is. I have these 3 pictures. Oy, come on, go down. But I'll put 2 pictures here and 1 on the other side because it has to have an entry all on its own. Okay. So this is, I'm not a big fan of this photo. I'll delete it. I'll just use this one. And I'm going to write, I can use I can copy I want to copy the font that I've already used. So instead of going back, going with the arrow like this, there's an easier way to click to go to the page, go pages, click on one of these pages. As you can see, I've already worked on my book. So I'm going to come to this page, copy this section here, click on pages again. In order to copy, I just click Control C on the keyboard. You can choose it, nope, just click it, and click on the I and copy. Where's the I? No, hold on, I forgot. I'm not sure. Maybe right click? Yeah, right click and copy. Control C. Come to pages, come to 5 and Control V, or also right click and paste. You see when you right click it shows paste or Control V, like that. So I'm going to write later on, when we reached, whoops, that's all caps lock, when we reached the subway, It was the funniest yet coolest experience ever to read my book while having the fluffy, and I wrote fluffy plushie with caps lock, all of it capital and bold. I keep the same format. Fluffy plushie. Stacy, because her name with a different color, I'm just going to put space like this in the metro, in the whoops, in the subway. Okay, so done. And as you can see, there is space here because I wrote Stacy. Let's go back to the page. I wrote Stacy with a different color. It's a different word, you see? So I'm just going to Control C, go to pages again, come to 5, Control V, and place it in the right place. And of course, I can double click again here, make this space a little bit smaller. Whoops, that's not right. Double click again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe it's enough, not enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see if it fits. Not yet. This one, I think it's a trial and error kind of thing. You need to see how much space you need. Yeah, this is good. Okay, I'm going to continue my diary entry for this one later on. I just want to show you how it looks when I click play. So on this side, I have first time in the subway with Stacy, the fluffy plushy friend. And I have a picture with Stacy on my lap reading the book, my book. I'm reading the book, of course, not Stacy, but it was just very weird. So let me show you the entire book from the beginning, the entire diary. You all know now that I give you the diary in order to, I give you one of my friends to take home over the weekend, and I want you to go out. I want you to take your new friend with you, and I would like you to write a diary entry on it, but I don't want it on paper. I would like you to use BookCreator because I want to see the creativity part and the design part out of it using Canva, Giphy, and all of the other ones. Of course, also you can use maps. Oh, that was a good idea. I don't know why I didn't put it here. Let's go back to this page. Let me show you how to add maps. So come to nope, wrong one. Come to the plus, apps, and Google Maps. And I'm going to write Metro because this is the metro that I go down at. So here's the subway. Here's my subway. So I'm going, can I highlight? I don't think so. Just click add. Ooh, that's a little bit too bad, too big. Let's minimize it. Okay, so I can put it here. And I can minimize the train a little bit also to put it under the text. Yep, I think this is perfect. Okay, let's go back to the beginning of the book so I can show you how it looks. So the Tale of My New Friend Stacy Diary by Miss Meenow. And I started by the traditional way of writing Dear Diary. I took Stacy only for one day, so I included the day in the middle of my diary. And as you can see, that I wrote Stacy with a different name just because I wanted to add a little bit more color. I added photos. These are using these Giphies here. I don't know if you can see it. Wait, let me see. These Giphies here are actually from using Giphy also, just to talk or insist on how I was feeling. And in here, this is the cover that I created. As you can see, the metro, the map, these are the Canva design and the Giphy here, and the picture and everything else. So I would like you to experience and experiment with BookCreator, and more than just finding images on images and just typing or copy pasting or whatever. The design aspect here is much more important to me for this one because diary is a very personal thing. So I would like to see your personality also in the design, not just the writing. Make sure to use your word collector. This is for the grade 2 and grade 3 kiddos because I really don't want to see spelling mistakes. You can also spell check here if your Chromebook will show the spell check. Bye.